This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball offline, an easy method to enjoy the game without a constant internet connection. While you usually need to be online to start the application, once it's running, you can switch to offline play. This allows you to enjoy casual matches against the computer or even with up to 4 local friends, providing a great way to practice or simply have fun without relying on network stability. To begin your offline experience, first head to the Authentic Match section from the main menu. Here, you will find the Trial Match or Exhibition Match option, which is your gateway to offline play. Simply select it, then choose your favorite authentic team and an opponent. You can also adjust the difficulty to suit your skill level, from regular to superstar, ensuring a challenging or relaxed game. Once you've selected your teams, you can customize various match settings. You have the flexibility to set the game time, typically from 5 minutes up to 30 minutes per half. You can also choose your preferred stadium, the time of day, and even the season conditions for your match. This mode allows you to play solo against the AI or engage in local multiplayer with up to 4 friends on the same screen. Playing eFootball offline is an excellent way to hone your skills, experiment with new formations, or simply enjoy a casual game without any online pressure. It offers a stable and uninterrupted gaming experience, perfect for those times when your internet connection is unreliable or you just want to relax. While some online-specific features are unavailable, the core football action remains fully enjoyable for hours of fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.